Good morning, everyone. First of all, we would like to express our gratitude for being given the opportunity to present our paper today. Introduced, my name is Khresna Sariyanto, and in here I'm not alone. I'm with my friend Darius Felix Lummawie. Today, we will present our paper entitled Implementation of Machine Learning Models for Personalized Recommendation Systems on E-commerce Platforms. Here's an infographic that has been made, but we will not use infographic for presentation. We will use PPT. Okay, and this is for the PPT. Moving on to the next session, which is the presentation outline. We have our abstract, introduction, methodology, then result and the discussion, and lastly, conclusion. Moving on to the first section, which is abstract. The search in online shopping through e-commerce platform has grown significantly in recent years. This increasing sales had pushed the urge of implementation of machine learning in personalized recommendation system. This paper reviews the implementation of machine learning models in personalized recommendation systems in e-commerce. It explores the advantages on the implementation of machine learning models, and additionally, this paper also compares and analyzes the advantages, also advantages on the different models commonly used in recommendation systems, providing insights on their performance and suitability for their own applications. We have the keywords like big data, machine learning, etc. Next section, introduction. Big data has exploded as a result of the information technology sector's explosive growth, making it challenging for buyers to locate the perfect products on e-commerce platforms. Because there is so much information available, users frequently find it difficult to find the right products and search phrases, which frustrates them and makes them reluctant to investigate. This problem has been made worse by the rise of online purchasing, but personalized recommendation systems solve it by using big data analysis and machine learning to analyze user activity data. The systems provide pertinent recommendations to make it easier for consumers to locate what they need quickly. The study examines the merits and drawbacks of the AI methods utilized in these recommendation systems. Moving on to the next section, which is methodology. As you can see, for the systematic literature review, we use PRISMA method divided into 4 phases. First phase, identification. The study topic will be selected and determined based on our paper title, which is Implementation of Machine Learning Models for Personalized Recommendation Systems on E-commerce Platforms. This topic will be focusing on implementation of big data and machine learning model on recommendation system to create personalized recommendation system in e-commerce platform. The source of the literature are from Google Scholar and papers with code. The papers searched are papers from the last 10 years with related takes like personalized recommendation system, big data in e-commerce, and other similar. In this phase, this literature gathered are 86 papers, but only 69 papers are eligible to be processed into the next step because they were not full text and they need subscription to be accessed. Second phase, screening. The papers will be screened as a whole by their abstract and conclusion to reduce the time taking defining the literature reviews. Those that turn out to be irrelevant to the current paper conducted will be removed or excluded. From the second phase, the papers that's excluded are 7, leaving 62 papers to the third phase, which is included. The papers will be accessed thoroughly deeper to make sure that the paper is relevant for the study. Paper excluded from the third phase are 8 papers. In the last phase, fourth phase, eligibility, some information from the literature works will be extracted for further use, such as author, publisher, title, objective, method use, sample use, conclusion, weakness, and strength. This information will be extracted from the every literature work and stored in a single comparison table. Subsequently, That information that has been extracted will be analyzed for further research and will be discussed in the results and discussion section.
Moving on to the result and discussion. From the papers that have passed through the eligibility test, we will extract their information, such as machine learning model technique used, as well as their advantages and disadvantages. There are several models used in these papers, such as FP growth, K-means, random forest, etc. Next. For the discussion, we will divide it into three main discussions. The first is advantages of machine learning in personalized recommendation system. Personalized recommendation system powered by machine learning brings several key advantages. Firstly, they can handle massive amounts of data quickly and effectively, identifying intricate patterns that lead to precise recommendation. These systems are dynamic and capable to adapt to individual user behaviors. As a result, users spend less time searching through irrelevant products and receive suggestions tailored to their specific needs. Second discussion is commonly machine learning model used. In the recommendation system, several machine learning models stand out for their effectiveness. The most popular one include logistic regression, KNN, decision tree, and random forest. Logistic regression employs a sigmoid function to convert linear output. KNN leverages the proximity of neighbor to enhance accuracy. Decision tree provides consistent and easy to interpret output, while random forest introduces randomness in feature selection to prevent overfitting and improve generalization. The third discussion is factors influencing model variability. Various factors can influence the variability and performance of machine learning models in recommendation system. Hyperparameter tuning is crucial, because incorrect settings can lead to overfitting or suboptimal recommendation. Equally important is the quality of the training dataset. Noisy or incomplete dataset can result in inaccurate predictions. Ensuring clean, high-quality data and appropriate hyperparameter adjustment are essential for maintaining this model accuracy and reliability. Next. Moving on to conclusion. The use of machine learning models in personalized recommendation system provides numbers of benefits, help customer locate products based on their taste and cutting down on time waste idly pursuing databases. A great forecast depends on these models being configured and trained correctly. Regression are frequently employed because of their exceptionally accuracy in forecast and forecasting consumer preferences. These models are useful, but they have their own drawbacks that could be addressed by future research through investigating ways to improve them, like adjusting hyperparameters or combining other models to get even better outcomes. This is the few references we have used. We have used 22 papers on making this paper. Hence, that concludes our presentation. We have seen how machine learning models significantly enhance personalized recommendation system by effectively matching customers with products that meet their taste. The accuracy of this recommendation depends on high-quality data and correctly trained model. While current models are highly effective, future improvement in hyperparameters tuning and model combination holds the potential for even better outcomes. Thank you for your attention.